Namaste, Hamesha Kushal Vidya. I am JVM Dr. Minakshi, Assistant Professor in Department of Shalakya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है foreign body of throat. And ingested foreign bodies are the unwanted substances which create the problem and irritation in the throat, like dysphagia, discomfort, pain, etc. Etiology: the age children are often more affected. There is a loss of protective mechanism. If there is loss of consciousness, epileptic seizures, deep sleep, or alcoholic intoxication. Next is carelessness, the poorly prepared food, improper mastication, hasty eating and drinking. Then narrowed esophageal lumen. The pieces of food may be held up in case of esophageal stricture of carcinoma. Psychotics, a foreign body may be swallowed with an attempt to commit suicide. A foreign body in the throat can cause choking and is a medical emergency and requires immediate attention. The foreign body can get stuck in many different places within the airway. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, death by choking is a leading cause of death and injury among children younger than 4 years of age. Here you can see the image of the foreign body in the throat. In the lower left side, there is an image of deflated lungs and inflated lungs image. On the right side, there is a image of the collapsed lung. The symptoms are discomfort and pain in the throat, the foreign body sensation in the throat, tiredness of voice, cough, laryngeal foreign body, tracheal foreign body, bronchial foreign body. So, first is the discomfort and pain in the throat. This is especially noticed in the morning. Second is the foreign body sensation in throat. Patient has a constant desire to swallow or clear his throat to get rid of this foreign body. Third is the tiredness of voice. Patient cannot speak for long and has to make undue effort to speak as throat starts aching. The voice may also lose its quality and may even crack. Fourth one is the cough. Throat is irritable and there is tendency to cough. More openings of the mouth may induce scratching or gagging. Mere opening of the mouth can induce scratching or gagging. Fifth one is the laryngeal foreign body. A large foreign body may totally obstruct the airway, leading to sudden death unless resuscitative measures are taken urgently. A partially obstructive foreign body will cause discomfort or pain in the throat, hoarseness of voice, croupy cough, dyspnea, aphonia, wheezing, and hemoptysis. Sixth is the tracheal foreign body. A sharp foreign body will only produce cough and hemoptysis. A loose foreign body like seed may move up and down like the trachea between the carina and the undersurface of vocal cords, causing audible slap and palpatory third. Asthmatoid wheeze may also be present. The next is the bronchial foreign body. Most foreign bodies enter the right bronchus because it is wider and more in line with the tracheal lumen. A foreign body may totally obstruct a lower or segmental bronchus, causing atelectasis, or it may produce a check valve obstruction allowing only ingress of air but not egress, leading to obstructive emphysema. Then investigations, we can go for plain X-ray or the fluoroscopy. Plain X-ray, the soft tissue lateral view of neck, posterior anterior and lateral view of chest may show the presence and location of a radio-opaque foreign body. Then fluoroscopy, radiolucent foreign bodies are not seen on plain X-ray. They can be diagnosed on fluoroscopy when the patient is given a piece of cotton soaked in barium or barium-filled capsule to swallow and its passage is observed through the esophagus. Here you can see the image of the foreign body. Nail-like structure is seen in the X-ray. Then complications of the foreign body in throat are respiratory obstructions, periesophageal cellitis, perforation, tracheoesophageal fistula, that is very rare. And last one is the ulceration and stricture. And then the assessment and management of foreign body in the throat. First one, keep the patient calm. Then transport in a position where if the object becomes dislodged, gravity will allow it to fall out. Then the management of the foreign body in throat. The first one is the esophagoscopic removal, cervical esophagotomy, and transthoracic esophagotomy. In the esophagoscopic removal, most of the foreign bodies in esophagus can be removed by esophagoscopy under general anesthesia. Second is the cervical esophagotomy. Impacted foreign bodies are those with sharp hooks, such as partial dentures located above thoracic inlet, may require removal through an incision in the neck and opening of cervical esophagus. Last one is a transthoracic esophagotomy for impacted foreign bodies of thoracic esophagus. Chest is open at the appropriate level. And then the treatment of the problem varies with the location of the foreign body. If the object is in the airway, a laryngoscopy or bronchoscopy will need to be performed to remove the item. This procedure involves passing a rigid scope into the airway, viewing the airway to find the object, and then using special forceps to remove the item. If the object is in the esophagus, a scope is passed into the esophagus and special tools are used to remove the stuck swallowed item. Once the foreign body is removed, the child typically recovers quickly. Thank you. This session is powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you so much.